Welcome to this tutorial on how to disable the data connection for WhatsApp. In this video, we will guide you through each step to ensure that WhatsApp no longer uses your mobile data. First of all, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Next, open the Settings app by tapping on the Settings icon. Scroll down and find the Apps section. Tap on it to open. And then click on the apps. Select Manage Apps. To find WhatsApp, click on Search Apps and type WhatsApp. Once you are in the WhatsApp settings, look for the option Connection Method so you can restrict your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Tap on the connection method and deselect the Wi-Fi and mobile data options and click on OK. After disabling the data, you can exit the settings. WhatsApp will no longer use the mobile data or Wi-Fi. You can re-enable the data anytime by following the same steps. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and guides.